Okay guys, let's talk silicone versus silicone tongs, and let's compare this one to that one, see which one actually works better for you. So I use these for several different things. I really like my my small ones if I'm in like serving something. So if I needed to grab a hot dog, it's very easy for you to be able to go ahead and use, and you feel like you have a little bit more control because you're picking up something that's not so far away. The second pair, or the first pair, whichever one, but this pair here, I feel like when I'm actually going ahead and using them, it's so far away from my hand that I may lose control of what it is that I'm trying to pick up. So let's say a hot dog wiener. I may try to go and pick it up, but I don't have it directly in the spot that it needs to be. I'll put it here and it'll fall straight through. So I do like the fact that I can use this in two different ways. I can actually use it when it's smaller, like so, by locking this, or I can push that in and they will open much, much wider if I'm needing to have a larger grip. So let's say that's a hamburger. I'm able to go ahead and pick up that hamburger, or if I'm trying just to get a hot dog wiener, well, then I can go ahead and do that and not have to use as much force with my hand. So either way, both of them have great uses for me in my kitchen. Hopefully this video will help you decide on which one works for you. Perhaps maybe you just need both. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.